Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is something many people think about. Aging. Every person grows older. This is natural. But some habits may help your body stay stronger for longer time. Nutrition is one of those habits. Let's begin with blueberries. Blueberries contain powerful antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from internal stress. This supports healthier aging. Another important food is avocado. Avocado contains healthy fats. Healthy fats support skin, heart, brain function. Your body feels more balanced. Then comes walnuts. Walnuts contain omega-3 plus antioxidants. These nutrients support memory plus circulation. Another important food is salmon. Salmon contains healthy fats important for heart plus brain health. Now let's talk about tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene. Lycopene is powerful antioxidant connected with skin plus cell protection. Another important green food is spinach. Spinach contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. These nutrients support energy plus blood health. Then comes olive oil. Olive oil is popular in Mediterranean diets. Many people connect this type of diet with healthy aging. Another calming option is green tea. Green tea contains plant compounds that support cell protection. Many people drink green tea daily as a healthy habit. Then comes honey. Natural honey contains antioxidants. Some people use honey as natural sweetener instead of processed sugar. Another interesting food is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants too. Small amounts may support mood plus wellness. But here is the truth. No food can completely stop aging. That is impossible. Healthy food simply helps support your body over time. Sleep matters. Movement matters. Stress matters. Consistency matters. Now here is the key idea. Aging is natural. But daily habits may help you stay active, strong, balanced for longer years. Because real health is built from small, smart choices. Repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.